Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a WWE DVD unboxing. The first one is the best of WWE Confidential. Confidential, I mean. There we go. There's that. Volume 1, I should say it is. That's cool. Okay. The best of Saturday Night Live, or Saturday Night Main Event. This is from 2008 in WWE. The other one didn't say. The other one is, let's see what it's from. Son of a bitch. It's from WWE and 2003. Back to the Saturday Night Main Event. This is a 3-disc set as well. Get all that. There it is. Yeah. There's disc 1. Jesus. My eye is itching. And disc 2. And disc 3. There it is. The next one is Viva La Raza, The Legacy of Eddie Guerrero. This came out in 2008 and from WWE Home Video.
Good selection. Good.
There it is.
Yeah. How much does this cost?
That's right about 2,000.
2,000. What'd I do? Break something? My goodness.
Right.
What were you looking at over there, Murray?
There's a couple things down here. Okay. Yeah, let's tell me a little bit about this one here.
This is nice. All right, I love put it back. Okay.
Disc 2, it's a 3-disc set, obviously. And there's a 3-disc set. Yeah. Let me see if I got those little stupid things off. Okay, yeah. Yep. Y'all remember those two that I already said that we're not going to unbox because it's like pretty much unboxed. The next one is the best of the Raw After Show. It's a 3-disc set. And this came from WWE Home Video. And it came out in 2014. There it is. And here's the disc 1.
Oh my goodness.
Disc 2.
I am Pontius the Barbarian, and now the day has come to slay the foul beast, the devil's brethren.
And disc 3. There it is. The next one is the Best of Raw 2009. This came out obviously in 2009 from WWE Home Video. Oh yeah. It's a 3-disc set as well.
You got bit and stung, so mission accomplished.
I'm pissed.
What'd you think was a good idea?
I thought I was gonna...
More nut shots coming right up. The Jackass Movie Marathon continues next. Release
There it is. Yeah.
Bring home the #1 animated blockbuster.
MVP is on it.
That's 98% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes. With 2 all-new mini-movies and sing-along music videos. Sing 2.
And last but not least, Best of Raw 2010. This obviously came out in 2010 and from WWE Home Video. It's a 3-disc set.
of this death.
100% real milk chocolate and
There it
crispy
is.
rice really works. Crunching makes work friends real friends. Start crunching today.
Hey, look, the 2011 pay-per-view schedule. A chaperone. And the best SmackDown game to date.
Oh, so that's it.
We have that. I have that. Fuck in there. Thanks, appreciate it. Goofy bastard. Nexus. The Nexus year.
To be bold is helping people 55 and older with low vision regain your independence.
Randy
Go to
Orton.
timetobebold.org for a list of services in your state that will give you the tools and support you need to live your bold best life. Go to
Disc 2.
timetobebold.org today.
John Cena.
I don't think that many kids in my son's school even
Doo, 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 doo.
No way.
And Wade Barrett.
No way. I would never vape.
Get your head out of the cloud. Talk to your kid about vaping.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video.
.org.
Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. Get every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.